No? You asking me now? You're so far? It is week 41 and we are in the Middle Fork area. You might recognize this. We're gonna go a different way though. But funnily enough, it's raining again.
What?
Wrong finger. Yeah!
Oh, that's great.
Do it again. Do it again. Oh, yeah. How long will you hold thinking I'm still taking a picture? Did you have a good poop?
Yeah, good poop.
In the hole? Just poop in the hole? Ew.
Leftover.
Hate you. What did we do last time? Where's the we are here? Oh, thank you. Thank you. We did Pratt River last time.
We went this way.
But we only went 6 miles.
Yeah, only probably about this far because that's 2.7 miles. And then 2.7 miles back, that'd be about 6.
Okay.
Right?
And then today we're doing Middle Fork, but we're not doing all of that because that's... Stop farting.
So this is 11 miles. This is where the hot springs are.
I want to go to the hot springs one day.
Yeah. But this is the one where we actually need to be on the other side of the river. It's a different start point.
Oh.
We'll do the Dingford.
Dingford. And then I saw Wallace.
You like my hat? That's so nice.
Snow Lake. We did that.
Yep, did Snow Lake.
So you could technically connect down.
Mm-hmm.
Have we done any of these other ones over here? I don't think so.
Maybe
Pumpkin Seed Lake. We should go to Pumpkin Seed Lake.
we should. That'd be fun.
Pumpkin Seed Latte.
High.
Oh shit! It is 4,263 feet elevation.
That'd be a nice alpine lake, though.
Yeah, I do love an alpine lake. Merlin Lake. Oh, Merlin Lake. Big
Fool's
Snow
Gold.
Lake. Big Snow Mountain, 6,000 feet.
Wait, you've got Gold Lake and Fool's Gold Lake.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, but that one's high. No, it's not higher. I can't count. This one's 63 miles to Mount Si Road. We've just hiked all over this little area. Yeah. Chattahoochee. Wait. Oh no, I already said we went to Snow Lake, but we didn't go to Gem Lake because people normally do Snow Lake,
And
Gem
then
Lake, and
continue.
then there's one other one. Is it the Cat Lake that they're going
Wildcat
to?
is the big. That's
That
the big
was
hike.
like, yeah, this was already a big ass hike.
Yeah, I was wanting to do Chair Peak. So you go to Snow Lake and then you ridge walk here
Yeah.
to Chair Peak, and then that's rock climbing.
Oh, no thanks.
I wasn't going to do the actual peak. I just wanted to go over to the mountain.
Oh.
But someone
Who?
was grumpy that day.
Who is grumpy?
Someone.
I love my time in the water.
Yeah.
I'm grumpy every day. Like, I feel like random strangers know that I am a dick to hike with. I feel like you who live with my pickishness should know. Are we having bathroom breaks? Is that what's happening?
Tilly is, yeah.
Okay, great. I was like, or did we get left behind? You guys remember when I flipped here? The river is quite angry today. So last time we went that way. This time we're gonna go that way.
I'm wetter than this. I love thinking that. Yeah, there's a lot of like hard roads.
It's flying.
We almost had our first casualty.
I saw, but I didn't point the camera. You want to bathe under a waterfall? You want to bathe under the waterfall?
That's cold.
Okay. No jiggles. Look at your slug. Wing, wing. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
those are edible as well.
You just gonna walk through the mud? I brought my short pants today. I knew. Oh God, gross. This is nasty. Ugh.
Cat's dirty.
No, they're like high waters. They're fine.
That's kind of cool. You don't think it'd be nice?
Hi.
I
Okay, hold on. No, keep pointing.
Do you see it flashing?
No.
I don't see it.
Try again.
Alright, you see the tree wiener? Yeah.
What?
The tree wiener. It's there.
Yeah.
Where? Okay. They all look
You
like
got it?
Yeah, I got all these stupid birds.
A mug of hot scotch? Okay.
I'd probably
Now I actually know what the bird is at it, but so it was this tree the whole time. I didn't know what tree wiener was.
You see the tree wiener
one
now.
halfway up with
Yeah.
all the moss on it.
Okay, this is tree wiener.
Yeah, it's dripping with tree.
And then woodpecker going to town. And Jordan heard that little faint knocking. I can't hear shit over the rain.
Wiener? No, alright.
An extra tree wiener for snack. Can't hear anything other than pop, 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 pop. Show me tree side. Touch it. Now lick it. Ew. It touched you.
Touch the butt.
Is it good?
Doesn't taste like anything.
Oh, wow.
We'll panic. I'm gonna fall.
You're the one who wanted to come up here. Good job. All right, well, I'll just hold it because I am statistically more likely to fall. Actually, I'm gonna go off into the moss where I can dig and have purchase. Sorry, moss that I'm killing. Murdered it
Why?
because I'm an asshole.
You said it.
I always say it. I know what I am.
An asshole.
I'm a vampire.
Are you a hairy asshole?
No, I get waxed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you ride mustaches.
Waxed and bleached. Shining like a bright, shiny star.
Bridge.
Walk it like Jesus. Walk on water. There you go. Jordan, you're blocking. Wow.
Be in front. It's actually rather deep.
Like your mom. Girl, how about, you know what? Fuck this.
No, they're waterproof.
Yeah, but my stuff is kind of deep.
It only went to there. But basically, just do what Sabrina did.
You just avoid the water.
Yeah, it makes way more sense.
But I need space to jump.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't want to give you.
See, everyone's following my genius.
Fall in.
I wish Jordan would have fallen in. I would have laughed.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
Falls make for more views. It's gross. I'm very much like Goldilocks or something with hikes. Can't be too hot, can't be too wet.
Can't be too steep.
Can't be too steep.
I've
Waterfall.
seen better.
Is this the waterfall you saw from the car?
Oh, up there?
Yeah.
Is that a waterfall?
Yeah. Well, the whole trail is just water. Oh, there's dogs. Hi there. Are they having the time of their lives?
A little wet.
Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. Okay. Where are they? Oh, they pulled off to the side. Are you planning other things? Like, what is happening?
Well, we want to touch the rock.
Oh, we can touch the rock? Ready?
Touch it.
I'm gonna touch the butt. I mean, this looks like the only place I can really hide.
Well, touch it.
I'm going. Oh, it's actually harder than I thought it was. Ew, slug. Touch, 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 touch. Ew. Slick.
Is it?
It's
Yeah.
not a boulder.
It's not a boulder. It's a rock. Wow.
I like how sudsy it is.
Yeah.
This rock.
You touched my iPod.
Ew.
Pervert.
I only like virgin rocks.
Sorry.
Damn.
Go higher.
Gotta go higher.
Go higher. Oh. You should lick it.
I don't want to lick it.
Why? Giardia. Friends. I saw the dogs. There's Giardia and these are. Oh.
Climb the mountain. Woo.
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
Hey, do you want help?
No? You asking me now? You're so far. Ew. 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 What do I do? No.
Well, there's a bunch of running water. You can rinse your hand off. Make sure your glove is pointed the correct direction. Point your fingers downstream.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I gotta squat. Fall in. Oh, so much squat. Oh, I can't reach the water.
I should be filming this.
You're not filming this?
I was pointing at the ground. Oh, we got
You're
people.
terrible.
Yeah. On the side over here.
You wanted to be a cinematographer.
We're gonna go.
Oh, you can go up that way?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
no.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's a little slick. It's not too bad.
On the way down. It's fine on the way up.
You know? So I filmed a lot of that, but it's upside down.
Oh my god.
Shake that
How
ass.
bad?
I mean,
Where is it here?
what hand is that? Right hand.
This one.
Yep.
Here?
Further back. You're right there, right above it. Yep.
Right, this looks like nature's toilet paper right here.
Okay. Let me get the butt wiggle. Okay, go for it.
Hold on. Tilly, come hold my hand.
Okay. Just one hand?
Just, well, I don't know. I hope nothing's gonna bite you in here. Did I get it?
It's better.
Ah!
That's awesome.
Better?
Yeah, you're good.
So
You're wet,
sad.
but you're clean.
What?
You're wet but clean.
I'm gross.
I'm wet too.
Arguably, this would be a better bidet situation
Yeah.
for my pants.
That's what I would do if I were you. I can't really help you over there.
Stretch, stretch. Yay! Loud as fuck. Man, I don't know. I've already fallen a few times. You don't want a selfie? Yeah, everyone else stand in the water. Yeah, you gonna do it with me? Just to get a idea. Oh, please don't fall. Don't make me fall. Oh god. Okay, hold on. Everyone was so brave to do this for a selfie. Now we try not to die. I fell in.
Ironwood. Yeah.
I'm not shocked I fell in. Too bad I wasn't recording, but I would have lost my phone with that one. It's very pretty.
He's helping it propagate.
But what if it's not good? Okay. What if it's invasive?
It's okay. It's right here.
Oh.
What did I touch? Oh yeah.
This time I won't fall in. Go ahead, go have your zoomies. Go run.
Mush.
Frolic.
Frolic.
Fine.
Oh,
Almost looks like coral.
that moss.
Yeah, coral moss. Oh my
I
god.
like him. I like him that fell off the tree.
You liking that moss?
I'm liking your mom.
Hear that, Mom? You be
Oh,
getting
God.
licking.
She watches these.
Yeah, my mom does support me.
Well, she was sweet. I enjoyed having dinner.
Did you shit your pants again?
Wow. Right now. What, do you smell it? Rank?
Powerful.
I do actually have to pee. You want to do a little pee tumble? And just, you'd never know. Wow. You would know. Sounds always scarier.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why. Well, actually, I do know why. It's deep. Danger. Yeah. Should have just brought my bathing suit on this trail.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Unless you wanted to tell me, sorry.
No, that's fine.
Listen.
You wet. You can't see it on mine.
Yeah.
But mine, like, I'm soaked to my ass. But I also fell into the fucking water. When we get to their toilets, I'm gonna wring out my clothes. Oh, I really have to pee. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I mean, I didn't pee. I just needed to control my bladder.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Are you recording us?
Yeah.
Alright, good. I was hoping you were.
Spirit. You dropped something.
My water bottle.
Gross.
What was that?
That was water.
No. I didn't get to. You didn't say it was a sock.
Oh, it's a sock. You want to see? I got round 2. I got 2 of them.
Oh, free foot pics.
No.
Blur 'em.
Blur 'em.
Blur 'em.
It's for the OnlyFans content.
And me.
Only my friends get to see my feet for free. Oh, these pants are dirty. Okay, sock number 2. It's fucking
You
gross.
sweat a lot.
That's not my sweat.
No,
Now I gotta take the pants off.
Take your pants off.
I'm taking my pants off. You remember the OnlyFans content?
Oh yeah.
Here's your preview.
Butt cheeks.
Oh my god. Yeah, I trust this ground a lot better than I trust that toilet. It's probably bad. Since there's a dead lizard right there.
Ew.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm not
so
exactly sure how I'm
impressive.
going to do this.
I thought it was gonna
No. A little bit.
be. Yeah. I can't wait for this ride home.
Alright.
Soaked.
Right?
Soaked. I kind of want. I don't think it's appropriate for me to take the shorts off in public,
Probably not.
but I really want to, just to try to get. Oh, my skin is so pink. We're just ruining Tilly's car. Let's do it at this point. They keep inviting us back into the car. It's their problem.
Totally buckle it if it's bothering you.
It's
Oh,
not
we're
bothering
fine.
me. What is it? I'm sorry.
Almost 3 hours.
5 miles. Wow, that 5 mile was so much easier than the last 5 mile hike we did. And we went much faster.
Mhm.
Wow. That's 2 miles an hour. I'm ready to take Usain Bolt's title. I did say we touched the butt when we touched the rock. And it's a Stegosaurus butt. So we did touch the butt.